Thousands of parasites attack this buffalo every day. But one tiny bird is about to turn the hunters into the hunted. These tiny parasites steal blood, spread disease, and weaken even Africa's strongest animals. Imagine living here until your worst nightmare arrives. This tiny bird turns an entire parasite kingdom into chaos. For these parasites, life seems perfect. Endless food and a giant host. Welcome to Wild Egg Survival. Today, we're entering a secret war that happens every day on the backs of Africa's giants. The moment it lands, panic spreads through the parasite colony. One parasite disappears. The hunt has begun. The survivors rush into hiding, hoping the bird won't find them. But the oxpecker knows every hiding place. As parasites vanish, the buffalo finally gets relief. For the bird, it's breakfast. For parasites, it's a disaster. Some try to run. None run fast enough. The hunter strikes again. The once crowded colony is quickly disappearing. Then reinforcements arrive. Now the parasites face an entire cleaning squad. What started as a hunt becomes a full-scale invasion. Even young oxpeckers are trained for this mission. And buffalo aren't the only clients. Giraffes trust them too. So do warthogs. The buffalo is healthier. The parasites are losing. Only a few survivors remain. But nowhere is truly safe. To Africa's giants, the oxpecker is a protector. To parasites, it's a nightmare with wings.